Our battery box is all installed. Now we can set up our roll bar. We know where to put it. We're just going to weld it right on top of the frame rather than down in between. That'll give us a smoother edge there, you know. And also double check to make sure our batteries would come out freely without bumping. I primed the rear section of the frame here. That way when our battery box is locked down, it's all sealed up underneath. Also primed up our battery box here. That way it would be all sealed up underneath as well. Just a little piss coat. I made sure I got up under these lips real good. That's what we won't be able to get to later. Well, now we got the battery box all installed after we primed it to seal it up. We have a piece of angle iron as the front of our battery box. Got our seat towers, I guess you would call it, cut off of both sides here. That wasn't easy. Got the little tabs and everything all cut off, and the edges ground off here. And then where our roll bar is going to sit, right here I put a ground off the weld a little bit, and then this one just a bit, and this one just a bit. And I cleaned it up over here also a bit. That way that's kind of nice. That way our roll bars will lay on here real nice and square. Now we'll have to clean up so we can weld along in here, and then bar to bar. Same thing over here. We'll clean it up so we can do some tacks along the frame here, and then also bar to bar along the bottom. And all the little bits and pieces from the seat posts are right here. And also I'm going to use the sanding disc. Oh, that's not a sanding disc, that's the rough one. There we go. I'm going to use the sanding disc to clean up the edges of our roll bar here. I've got the roll bar all cleaned up. Got it ready, measured out, clamped down, ready to weld. A couple of tacks across here, maybe a couple across the top there. Lock her in. I got our roll bar all welded on. Not pretty goodly. It's a little hot. That come out pretty good. Get a piece of pipe and bend it up for our footrest and caster mount.